How's it going, everybody? My name is Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. We're just gonna get straight into it. We finally got our hoist. Now, Darren was here with the guy dropping it off earlier, and I guess it had a little damage because it went from freight shipping to residential shipping. Pallet underneath it was all damaged, but I think the hoist should be okay. We're gonna open it tonight just to make sure everything's good. Still have all the information if I need to send it back, but I'm pretty sure this is the hydraulic power unit, and then this is the good stuff. This is the biggest crate I've ever gotten in the mail. It's ridiculous. And let's just peep my new Hot Wheels display. I don't know if anybody out there is big Hot Wheels fans or not, but I do collect them. I don't think it's childish. Nobody else should. It's awesome. But yeah, so this is the hoist. We're gonna open it up. I'll do a time lapse and we'll see what we're dealing with. Before I get into this, look at this dog. Come here, dog. Hey, you're a good girl. Oh, she's so fast. And she's gone. All right, before I get into it, I wanted to just say, you gotta put these wheels on, very first thing. Otherwise, you can't really move these around since they are mobile. They're incredibly heavy. The total between the two of them, that is the weight capacity. This thing's pretty freaking heavy duty. It's insane looking. So I think we're pretty much done with this crate. That's just a block. I need this. Those are the lifting arms. All four of them, I believe they can kick out. They have like a little bit of a wider distance or stance or whatever. I don't know what this is. I'm basically just piecing everything that's not garbage together. That looks pretty much it. So, and then this is also the hydraulic pump tower thing that works the whole thing. So I'm gonna kind of organize it, and then I'm not gonna put anything together. I'm just gonna kind of get it all out in the open, so when I'm ready to put it together for the next video for you guys, everything will be ready to go. Oh, hey guys. I didn't see you there. I'm just using my new kitchen sink in the freaking garage. Some of the nice luxuries I've been working on around here. It's pretty cool, I know. So, as you can see, the sink works. It's just not a bad setup, I'm telling you what. It's kind of a nice way to go. I'm not gonna get tired of using this thing. That's awesome. Okay, so for the first night, I just did the power station. This is gonna be what controls everything. You're gonna push this guy down and it's gonna send this thing up, I believe. That's where all the hydraulic fluid, that's like the hydraulic reservoir in the bottom here. And then this is the piston that sends everything. 110, you don't need 220, you can use 220, but I believe this is gonna be where the fluid goes in this reservoir and then sends it out into the two pipes that go into the bottom of the pistons on these. And these are pretty much gonna be as done as they are today. All I did was put the wheels on them, so I just did it enough so I can push them out of the way. But yeah, I would like to think that's gonna do it for tonight. It's already 10 o'clock. I gotta get to editing this video and put it online for you guys tomorrow, because tomorrow's Wednesday and I have a deadline I set for myself because I'm crazy and I work a full-time job. and I try to get content for you guys. So I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, guys. We have got a supercar coming to this garage really soon. Is it mine? Is it not mine? I don't know. You may have seen it before. You may not have seen it before. We're gonna get this done. We've got to get that thing up on top of this thing. We've got so much to do. We got to install those camber bolts. We got to get it aligned. We got to get some brakes going. I gotta clean up this garage a little more, get a couple more projects done, paint this place. We've got so much. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like the video, put a comment down what you want to see on the video, because we're doing all kinds of stuff. We're trying to get some crazy subscribers up in here. Peace out, keep turning those gears.